Thanks for hitting play on Average Dave's Cards. This video, we're going to try to check out this Repack product that I find. World's Greatest Card Chase Pack Edition. Big find. The Michael Jordan rookie card. I really doubt that I'll be the one finding that, but it'll be fun. And they got like Zion on here, so it's already somewhat new. And Giannis autographed jerseys, Kobe autographed jerseys, Harden shoes. So if we get anything remotely close to that, that'd be amazing. It says it has 10 packs in here in the past 30 years. Once again, if it's even licensed product, I'll take that. But yeah, let's check it out. Box was $20. It's all sealed up, so that's nice. All right. I see the logo, man, so that's a good start. And something's licensed. Something folded up in here. Probably just paper, not like, oh, send this in because you want a Giannis jersey. Yep. So let's see here. We got some hoops. Not surprised there. We got a lot of hoops. Oh my god, we got something in wax. 90 Fleer. Oh, something more in wax. 91 Fleer. Some Skybox Series 2. Some Upper Deck 91, 92. Some completes, so something somewhat newer. Some 2015, 2016 threads. Some more hoops. So, what order to go in? Something like this, I think. All right. So basically, with all this old wax stuff, Jordan, right? Lots of Jordan. Oh man, Stockton to Malone. Somehow these cardboard cards are even sticking together. Dominique, it's kind of a cool photo. Harvey Grant. I guess the good news is that there's no gum in here. Oh, there we go. There's a Jordan. A little bit of white on the corner. I think I would rather just get the base graded, not the league leaders, but man, it feels weird going through these kind of cards after the feel of other cards these days. Alright, so which ones? I believe these ones are older here. Alright, Danny Manning, Kenny Smith, Casey Jones, rookie of Blue Edwards. Got Barkley, some sort of insert. So yeah, I don't know if this was worth $20. It comes out to $2 a pack. Tom Chambers, Bailey. Oh wow, these cards are thin. Oh wow. Well. This one's not horribly centered either. A little bit thicker on the left side. Huh. So we got that Jordan. Got another Kiki here. Thunder Dan. Clyde the Glide. All right, our last pack of hoops before the inaugural edition of Skybox. There you go, got Scotty, Larry, wow, Drexler. This pack back in the day would be sick. Cliff Robinson, rest in peace. Larry Bird. D Brown, slam dunk champion D Brown. '76ers team card. Chris Mullin. Reggie Lewis, rest in peace. Tim Hardaway, UTEP two-step. Dominique Wilkins. Alrighty, upper deck. Chris Jackson, or was it Mahmoud Abdul Rauf? That dude can score a lot of points. Kendall Gill. Kind of a dud pack there for upper deck. Alright, so a little bit newer stuff here. Complete. This pack seems really thin. I wonder if it came out of a blaster or something. Let's check it out here. It was 16-17. So rookie, we got Wade Baldwin, Bogut, Al Jefferson, Dirk, and a Malichi Richardson, like silver gray parallel. Alright, so we got some 2015-2016 Threads. I think Threads is pretty underrated, at least last year's. This year they didn't have it. They snuck it into part of the Chronicles set. Don't know much about 2015-2016 though. Oh wow, a sharp looking card. Tim Duncan, Festivus Ezeli, Zach Levine, Lou Williams, D Brown in a insert after talking about him. Dirk Nowitzki again. Tyreek Evans. Did I miss the rookie card logo on these, or did I just not hit a rookie? Anyway, tell me what you think of this Repack product, if it's something you'd be interested in buying. It was fun. I don't think it's something I would be interested in buying again. Always fun pulling some Jordans though. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.